Hello guys, welcome to Quick Coders channel. In this video we are going to make a chatbot. So like a Google which will we will ask the questions from it and it will give us answer. We will choose the app lab because the app we are going to make. So this will take a few seconds to load. So now it has been loaded. Now you go for design. So because design, first we will design, then we will do coding in this. It is so easy to make. I will fill this to the screen so it looks great. So now this is done. I will make it fill to the full screen, which like a mobile screen. Now I will choose the image, upload file, click on upload file. It will take few seconds and here you can go for it. Now there is chatbot image. I have downloaded it from Google. You can get it from Google only. Now choose this image. This will open. Now you can fit this by you on how much do you like it. Now I will do it some up so that it look great. So this is now okay. Now we will add the button in this. Now let's increase the size of the button. Now we will go to down and we will go to border radius, not width. We will increase 52 because this is now looking good. Now we will change the color and change the text also of the button. Now we will go to button and change the text like to next. Now next is okay because we will go to next screen from here. Now we will increase the size of the button text. Now I had increased it. Now we will do it properly so it looks perfect. Now we will also change a background color of the image this button. Now we will check which will look great. Black is not looking good, so let's change it because black is not looking good through this. I think here blue can be worked because the chatbot is also blue, so not yellow also, only blue will. First of all we will change the theme classic to classic so it look now proper. Now again we will go to background color. Now here it is blue. Now we will change the color. Let's check which will look proper. No, it's some dark. Yes, light would be great. Yes, now it is proper. Now let's go to screen to new screen we will add. Now here you can add with your ideas. Now we will take a test input here by which we will ask the questions. Now here image also so it looks proper like a real app. So now in the this we will write the test. Write in big or small letters. So big letter you can write because the code.org not let do small letters understand, so it's only get to know the small letters. Now we will go to the test font size. We will increase the font size so it's look great. Now it is looking proper. Now here is the spelling mistake. I did proper it. Now it's okay. Go down. You can also increase border radius so it's becomes curve from the corner. You can also change the border color from here. Now this border size or border radius increasing because now it is looking good because the corners are okay. Now this text input we will increase the size so it also look proper. Now we will add the button which will help us to reset the test and other thing. So I add the button. Now go to up and also go for this and change the test. We will do next. Oh sorry, answer. because when we will write the question, after this we will do press on this button and we will get answer. So we will change the ID also, so it is easy to do coding after. Now this we will increase the font size of the button and increase the size also of the button. Now this is some big, we will increase again the button. Now it is proper, the button is also the text also. Now we will go to other button and put it properly, equally, like both. So now this is looking equal. Now we will go to button text and we will also change the text also. Now text we will do it reset text, reset, reset text, text. So everything should be in the big letters, capital letters. Now done. Okay, I'm getting a problem. Yes, now it is okay, the spelling is okay. Now go down and increase the font size of the button. Now font is also okay, everything is done. Now let's do other things like border radius. We will increase of the text input, so it's also look good. Now we will do this again, change the border color, so it also look good. Now we will do it black. Now black is okay. Oh, done. This thing is done. Now what we will do, we will just go to again back to screen 1. We will check everything is okay or proper. If there you are getting some problems, you can comment me, comment. And if you, now we will add the back button which will help to go in the screen 1 back. Okay, now this ID will be screen now to back, screen to back button. We will understand because this will help us while doing coding. So now let's do properly the button. Now this is okay, answer button, reset text, back, everything is proper now. But we will now change the ID of all buttons. ID this reset text. Now we will make the gap between of them, so underscore we will add. Now this text area 1, text input 1. Now this is okay, we will go back to the screen 1. So its size is small, so I will do it big, and front size also big. We will go to down and increase the font size. Yeah, now it is looking also proper, everything is done. Just we will go back and go back to our screen. So now we will do coding. We will take the buttons on event, we will bring here on event. Yes, it is done. So we will also choose some IDs. Now we will go to control and take this third one, first, second and third. So this will we bring to set it. Now here it will be set. So everything we will do properly, there should be no mistakes. Now you have to go to maths. We will take double is equal to. Yes, now it is proper. Now again go to UI controls. So other labels are yellow, some are other. Now get text. Now this, and we will go to proper it. Now ID we will change like we will get text from text input, so we will put text input here. Now this is left. Now just we will do this also. For it we will go click on this and write here how are you, because we will ask the question this one. Sorry, so there is some problems, so we will solve them in the last. Now set text ID we will change. Now we will see to text area 1. Now the text what will the come the answer. So you can add more questions also. So I'm writing it again because this is wrong. So how are you? So ARUR and you. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. I think we have to do it last. The mistake we will do in last. First of all, I am fine. The answer. Okay, the answer will come this. So now this is done. We will do next. Now on event we will have to work back button also. On event ID we will change to screen to back, because this back button ID is screen to back. Now we will go down, set screen 1. Yes, the one when we will come to one screen. You can add many more questions like this, but for now this is okay. This first button, next button we will also do. This button name is button 1. So button 1 click which, yes, see, you can see it by the button 1 click where we have to go eliminate to screen 2. So let's take screen button. Now there is screen 1, so we will do screen 2. Yes. Okay, now guys, okay, we are having a mistake in this. Let's check what is the mistake. So we will reload the site, because sometimes it happens after coding we have to reload the size so it works properly. Sometimes it don't. Let's check it. We will click on next. So this is open. We have to write in small letters. We will click on this and write it. How are you? Done. We will click on answer. Yes, here answer come. So it is working. So let's check this button also. Yes, it is also working. So bye bye.